Here are some of the best tips to keeping on track with your cutting phase. Tip number 1. Opt for foods that are high in fiber. These will keep you feeling full, while also helping you to hit your protein goals. Tip number 2. Keep up your water intake to boost your metabolism, curb your appetite, and keep your body hydrated. Tip number 3. Make staying on track with your calorie deficit far easier by meal prepping. Tip number 4. Avoid drinking your carbs via soft drinks and sports drinks. These liquids are empty calories with no nutritional value. Tip number 5. Consider adding some cardio to your workout regime alongside lifting weights to encourage fat loss. Tip number 6. Try some of the best cutting supplements from Brutal Force lineup like the Win Cut or C Cut. Ready to start cutting? Check the link in the description and start today with your cutting supplement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.